Buddy, today I'm going to show you how to use the new JMD OBD device. So this works with the Handy Baby / JMD application, and it pretty much turns this little unit into a Bluetooth OBD programmer. So the first step we're going to do is we're going to plug this into the actual OBD. So this is a Holden Commodore VF 2014 model. So we're just going to be adding a new key to it. We have our original key here, and then we're going to be adding in a new KD key to the vehicle. So the first step will be to plug in this actual unit to the OBD plug, and then we're actually going to turn the key to the on position as well. So once you plug this into the OBD, you should get some nice loud beeps from the actual unit, like so. The next step from there is to actually connect the application or the phone to the OBD device. So we're going to select from the app OBD, we're going to select the available JMD OBD. Alrighty, so as you can see, it is now connected and we have some functions in front of us. So the first step is we're going to go to IMO for immobilizer. The next step is we're going to go to America. We're going to select Chevrolet because these Holdens are actually rebadged Chevrolets. Once again, we're going to select America, and then we're going to come down to Cruise because these run exactly the same system as a Cruise. Once we select Cruise, we have two options, PIN service and 2010 and above. So we're going to select PIN service because we actually want to read the BCM pin. So as you can see, we have PIN service other, or we have PIN server BCM. So we're going to select PIN server BCM. It's now going to read the information out of the actual BCM. It tells us what type of system it is. You're going to hit yes to connect to it. Does take a minute or so. Alrighty, so it has now punched up the password or the PIN code for us. In this case it is 6182, so we're going to hit confirm. We're going to go back, and then we're going to go to 2010 and above. We're going to go, as you can see, we have a few options in front of us, which is very helpful. So add key, lost all keys, add smart key, lost all smart keys, and clear DTC, as in diagnostic fault codes. For this one, we're just going add key. It tells us how many keys we have existing. Insert the new key and turn on the ignition, close all doors. So at the moment, I have the original key in there, so I'm going to remove that. Going to insert our new key to be programmed to the vehicle. Turn the key to the on position, and then we're going to hit confirm. It's going to ask us to input that same PIN code that we just read, which was 6182. Make sure I get that correct. 6182, there we go. We're going to hit next. It's going to ask us to confirm the PIN code. Now we have, as per normal, a 10-minute countdown timer. So we're going to cut this video here, and then we'll come back in about 9 minutes and 50 seconds. So the vehicle has now just gone into programming mode, and as you can see, it says open and close the door of the cab, confirm all electric appliances to be closed. By that it means to be turned off. What I will say is this is missing one little step, which is you do need to turn the key to the off position, remove the key from the ignition, and then open and close the door so the actual electronics will turn off. And as you can see now, the electronics on the center console dash have all gone out, so that's all good. We're going to hit confirm. Please turn on the ignition and close all doors. So doors are closed. We're going to turn the key to the on position. Hit OK. So we'll match the next key. We're only doing a 1 key here, so we are good. Select no. Turn off the ignition, pull out the key. Confirm. Open and close driver's door, or any door really, but we're using driver's door. Make sure all appliances are turned off once again. Correct. Confirm. And now we've just got what we call the count out timer, so we're just waiting for the vehicle to actually come out of programming mode. Alrighty, so it's now requesting we turn the ignition on, so insert the new key, turn it to the on position, select OK. So I'm going to ask us to turn ignition off, leaving the key in, select OK, turn ignition to the on position again, turn it back on, select confirm. And we should get a nice programming success message. Yep, so current number of keys is now 4. So next step from here is turn the existing key off and test the remote. So as you can see, the new key and the old key still operate the actual door locks. We're just going to make sure the new key starts the vehicle. New key does start the vehicle. Now for the old key as well, make sure it hasn't deleted anything. There we go. So this vehicle has now a total of 4 keys programmed to it. In the next video, we're going to show you how to do all keys lost using the JMD OBD attachment. Thanks.